Hey, it's Rick Quattro here. Just a quick video to show you how sometimes your tables of contents will have unusual formatting in them and you're wondering where it comes from. So if you can see my first three entries here, I have these leader dots and then my text, and then of course I don't have leader dots because the page numbers are hard against the text. So, I may wonder where these are coming from. Now, when you generated your table of contents, I'm going to right click on the TOC and do Setup Table of Contents. If you check this Create Hypertext Links checkbox here, then what you can do is you can Control-Alt-Click on these entries and you can actually go to the heading. So if I hover over here and click, it takes me to this entry. Now, what I don't see here is the leading tab. There's actually a tab character at the beginning of this paragraph. And so let me right click in the margin and do text symbols. And FrameMaker is a little bit unusual. Most programs, for example, Microsoft Word, InDesign, have a default tab stop. So even though there's a tab character in here, we don't see the text moved over, and that's because FrameMaker doesn't have default tab stops. You can put, 1,000 tab characters in there, and the text will stay where it is because we don't have any tab stops. And I can just show you that. I can click in here and just quickly drop a tab in, and you can see that I actually do have a tab character in there. So the idea here is we need to get rid of that tab character. Let me drag that out, and what I'll do is I'll hit the home key and I'm going to press the delete key on my keyboard to get rid of the tab character. Now, another shortcut you can use is if I hit Control Tab, it'll take me back to the table of contents. And I can do this one. I'm going to hit the home key. I'm going to hit the delete key to get rid of that tab. And then I'm going to hit Control Tab to go back. And I've got one more to do here. I'm going to hit the home key. I'm going to hit the delete key, and now I've gotten rid of those tab characters that I don't want there. So let me update the table of contents. And now we go to the TOC, and it's all cleaned up, all taken care of.